Hi, today we're defining ALCATEL 3T10 and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So first let's open the settings application and after that tap to the sound section. Here you'll see the silent mode switcher. Just to turn on or turn off the silent mode, we should click on the switcher. After that, we can see here the ring, notifications, media and alarm volume panels, and to change their volumes we should just hold and slide to the left or to the right side these dots. So let's just check here the don't disturb preferences. Just click here. We can turn on or turn off this option to use to allow the alarms or selected colors in don't disturb mode, to set the bedtime, the start and the end time. Also we can change it here the ringtone, notification and alarm sounds, and in other sound settings we can turn on or turn off the dial button, screen lock and lock sounds, touch sounds, power on and off sounds, and here we'll find the emergency alerts. So just to turn on or turn off all of these options we should click on each of the switcher. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.